force, work, and energy. A force is any push or pull that changes or tries to change the motion of an object. Pushes and pulls are forces that make movement occur. Objects cannot move until a force is applied. A football player applies force to change the speed and direction of the ball when it heads towards a goal. The goalkeeper must apply a force with his hands to stop the ball. Can you remember the forces you needed to start your cycle, increase its speed, and stop it? Importance of force. Forces affect how objects move. They can start an object in motion, slow down an object in motion, stop the object in motion, change the direction of an object. Forces can be used to change the shape of things. When you pull or push into dough or soft clay, you can see the change in its shape. Types of forces. Forces are of different types. Some of them are muscular force, force exerted by our muscles. Frictional force, force that helps to slow down or stop movement. Elastic force, pull a rubber band with your fingers. You can feel the force that tries to pull the band back to its original position. Gravitational force, force by which the earth pulls all objects towards its center. Throw a ball in the air, it will come down. Work. Some words in science have different meanings that are used in everyday language. This is the case with the word work. You do not do any work if you stand for 1 hour holding a heavy box on your head. So also, you do not do any work if you push against a wall. This is because there is no movement. Using a force to move an object to some distance is work. When you lift a load, push or pull a trolley, you are doing work. In the scientific meaning of work, the girl sitting and studying is not doing any work, but the other children shown are doing work. The bigger the force and the greater the distance the object moves, more work is done. Now, you know the amount of work done depends on two things: the amount of force exerted and the distance moved by the object. So, work can be calculated by using the following formula. Work is equal to force into distance. Simple machines. Simple machine is any device, tool, which allows you to do the same work more easily. The nail clipper, knife, hammer, bottle opener are all simple machines. Without these machines, many tasks will become either difficult or impossible. Simple machines make work easier with less force. It may also allow us to change direction of an applied force. Simple machines are of 6 types: lever, inclined plane, pulley, wheel and axle, wedge, screw. Lever. A lever helps to lift heavy loads, cut things and open lids. Examples: scissors, tongs, seesaw, plier. Inclined plane. An inclined plane consists of a slanting surface that is used to lift up heavy things to a higher level or lower level. Pulley. A pulley is used to move things up or down, like drawing water from a well and a crane carrying heavy loads. Wheel and axle. Wheel and axle consist of a circular object, the wheel with a shaft rod, the axle running through the center of the wheel. Examples: cycle pedal, steering wheel, windmill, screwdriver. Wedge. Wedge is like two inclined planes attached back to back. It is used for cutting hard objects apart. Example: axe. Screw. Screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a post. It is used to hold things together. Energy. Doing work needs energy. When you ride your bicycle, lift your bag, energy is transferred from your muscles to the things you do the work on. This is why laborers or athletes need to eat more food. Food is the fuel that provides us with the energy to do work. Sources of energy. The energy we use comes from different sources. Most of the energy on the earth comes from the sun, called solar energy. Some other sources of energy are water, wind, atoms, and fuels. Solar energy. Heat and light energy from the sun helps in photosynthesis or food-making process in plants. We can use this energy to heat our homes and produce electricity with solar panels. Wind and water energy. Wind and flowing water can generate electricity. Atomic energy. Energy generated from atoms is called atomic energy. This is produced in nuclear plants. Coal, oil, and gas are fossil fuels. We burn them to release energy as heat. Forms of energy. When things have energy, they can do work or cause change. When change happens or work is done, energy is transformed from one form to another. We use these different forms of energy in our daily lives. Chemical energy in substances such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas is converted to heat energy when we burn wood or coal in a fireplace or use a car. Electrical energy stored in bulbs helps light your home. Electrical energy moves through a wire.